Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious, thick, and juicy burger. First, let's talk about the foundation, your patty. Choose ground beef with an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form your patties about 1/2 inch thick, creating a small dimple in the center to prevent bulging. Remember to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Now, let's master the cooking process for that perfect crust and juicy interior. Heat a cast iron skillet or griddle to a medium-high temperature, ensuring a consistent sear. Cook your patties for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side for a delicious medium doneness. For an extra touch, add a slice of your favorite cheese during the last minute of cooking, allowing it to melt beautifully over the hot patty. Assembling your burger correctly is key to a fantastic eating experience. Begin by lightly toasting your burger buns until they are golden brown. This adds crucial texture and prevents sogginess. Next, layer fresh, crisp lettuce and ripe tomato slices on the bottom bun. Then, carefully place your hot, cheesy patty on top, followed by your favorite sauces and crunchy pickles for a burst of flavor. To truly elevate your burger, consider some gourmet toppings and finishing touches. Experiment with additions like sweet caramelized onions, savory crispy bacon, or even a perfectly fried egg for an extra rich flavor. A homemade aioli or a unique special sauce can also significantly enhance your burger's overall taste profile. Serve your masterpiece immediately with your favorite sides for the ultimate, satisfying burger experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.